Welcome to Part 2 of the Grand Canyon University's GCU Style tutorial. In Part 1, you learned about the purpose of writing styles. This section will cover the basic format required for all papers submitted to GCU courses that require the use of GCU Style. This demonstration will utilize Microsoft Word 2013 for the Mac computer. Most of the features demonstrated in this tutorial are available in other versions of Microsoft Word for both Mac and Windows computers, but may be found in different locations. If you do not have Word installed on your computer, you can get it for free by going to the GCU Technical Support website and clicking on Software, and then clicking on Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus installation. If you have questions regarding installation of this software, please contact GCU Technical Support. Using the GCU Style template. The easiest way to format your paper correctly is by beginning with the GCU Style template provided in the Writing Center section of the Student Success Center. Note that there are a number of templates available in the Writing Center and that different level classes and disciplines have unique formatting requirements. You should select and use the correct template for your assignment. If you are unsure which template to use, consult your instructor. When you click on the template, your computer will ask you to open and save the file. Choose Save and save it with your other Word documents or somewhere that you will easily remember. Once you save the template, double-click on the file to open it. The file template may also open automatically depending on your computer's settings. If there is a yellow bar at the top of the page that says Protected View, you will need to click Enable Editing before you can make changes. Now that the template is open, you will be able to simply insert your information into the paper by highlighting the text you want replaced and typing over it. Main body. To begin, add your name, course code, for example UNV 103, the date, and your instructor's name in the upper left side of the page. Next, you will add a title for your paper. Highlight the entire example title and then type in your own title. The title is centered and is one line above where you will begin writing your introduction. You are now ready to write your paper. Notice that the first line of the paragraph is indented. Each time you start a new paragraph, the first line will automatically indent. In addition, you should notice the size and font has been automatically set to 12 point Times New Roman and that the entire paper is double-spaced. In general, your papers will begin with an introductory paragraph, followed by several paragraphs that make up the main body of your paper, and then finish with a concluding paragraph. Most of your papers will not need section headings or subheadings, such as Introduction, Methods, and Conclusion. However, if you feel headings would improve the clarity of your paper, ensure that there is a clear break in the flow of the text and that the heading is easy to spot. If you find you are struggling with writing your paper, you can contact the Center for Learning Advancement. Not only will you find excellent resources to assist you with your writing, but they also offer tutoring, which can help you significantly improve your writing. Another excellent resource to help with your writing is the Writing Process Tutorial, a step-by-step guide to writing a college essay. You can find a link to this in the Student Success Center. In-text citations. As you type your paper, you must cite any content that is from another person or another source, whether a direct quote or just an idea. This is an essential component to academic writing and is a key step to preventing plagiarism. Please refer to Part 1 of this tutorial for more details on the role citing plays in preventing plagiarism. Citations will go in two places. The in-text citation will immediately follow the quote, paraphrase, or summary within the actual text of your paper. A full reference will then be added to the References page, located at the end of your paper. The References page will be addressed in the next section of this tutorial. In-text citations will in general be provided in parentheses with the last name of the author and the date of the publication enclosed within. If you use a direct quote, you will also include the page or paragraph number where the quote was found in the original source. If you are unsure about how to provide a specific type of in-text citation, refer to the GCU Style Guide located in the Student Success Center. You can also learn more about how to use in-text citations in the Citing Sources Correctly segment of the Writing Process tutorial. References page. The references list is located at the end of your paper. Each reference you include on this page must correspond with an in-text citation you have included in the body of your paper. The correct format for the references on this page is located on page 3 of the template. You will notice that each reference begins as left justified, and the subsequent lines for that reference entry are indented ½ an inch. This is called a hanging indent. When you utilize this page of the template, your references will be correctly formatted. You should also notice that the reference page is 12-point Times New Roman font and double-spaced. Each reference on this page will be listed alphabetically and include the author, listed by their last names first and then by their first initials. This will then be followed by the publication date in parentheses and then the title of the source. In addition, each source type requires that specific information be included. For instance, a journal article will also require the title of the journal, the volume, issue, and page numbers. A book will require the publisher and location. Websites require the URL address. To learn what information is required for each type of source used in your paper, refer to the GCU Style Guide located in the Student Success Center. Tutorial conclusion. There are a variety of resources at your disposal to assist you with writing your papers, this tutorial being only one. If you encounter any questions related to citation styles, utilizing the templates and guides provided in the Student Success Center, or writing your papers, don't hesitate to ask for help. You can contact your instructor through your email or the Questions to Instructor forum located in your classroom. The library has a number of ways to contact them, including email, phone, and chat, all located on the library website at http://library.gcu.edu. In addition, you can contact the Center for Learning Advancement or the GCU Lounge for help with writing your papers and citing your sources. This concludes the Grand Canyon University GCU Style tutorial. If you have any further questions about GCU Style, please refer to the various resources described throughout this tutorial.